If you've been thinking of starting a plant-based diet in 2025, then look no further, because in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple plant-based superfood that I use to help to keep me lean, fit, and energized throughout the year. And stick around until later, because I'll share with you one of my simple meals that I love making with this plant-based food to help to give me more than enough energy than I'll ever need. Hi, I'm Blaze, and I help men and women to crush it in a plant-based lifestyle by keeping it simple with plant-based foods. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my simple plant-based foods that I always keep in my diet, especially when it's in season. And you can be adding this into your diet also. I highly recommend it, and you will see the results once you start eating this food on a daily basis. I have been eating this for years, and I have seen the results within myself. So if I can do it, you can do it also. I'm going to take you on a harvest right now. Let's go and get this beautiful and delicious superfood. And to pull off this harvest today, all we're going to need is two tools, which is my favorite pruners right here, and the best fruit picker that I've ever had, which is a painter's pole that I bought from Home Depot. And this thing can go about 25 feet in length. So we're going to need this thing to harvest this fruit that I'm going to share with you today. My good old duffel bag and my picker. And here's our bounty: avocado and purple passion fruit. This video is mainly about avocados and why you need to be adding this into your plant-based diet in 2025. This simple and delicious fruit will help you to crush your health goals in 2025. Avocados is loaded with monosaturated fats, which is the fats that you want in your body to stay lean and have tons of energy. The oils in avocados helps to lubricate your joints. I know that I am doubling down on avocados in my diet in 2025. I have seen the results throughout the years. However you are getting avocados, see if you can get them locally sourced or through a small farmer near you. If you can get them locally sourced and they're organic, then that is amazing. That is exactly what you want. Because just remember, when you're eating plant-based foods, and all types of foods actually, quality is everything, and organic does matter. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you love avocados or not. And if you do, share in the comments down below on what is your favorite way to prepare avocados. Do you like making guacamoles, salads, simple salsas, avocado ice cream, avocado with some simple maple syrup? Smash it together and put it on your toast. Share your comments down below and let us know what is your favorite way to eat avocados. I'll give you a quick example of what I'm going to do with these avocados. I'll give them about 7 days, and by then they'll be perfectly ripe. When they reach that stage, I'm going to cut each avocado in half. I'm going to use a butter knife, and then I'm going to cut the flesh horizontally and vertically across. Then they'll be like cubes. I'll scoop them all out, and then I'll put all of this avocados in a big bowl. Once I do that, I'll slice up some tomatoes, cilantro, onion, garlic, salt, pepper, and lime with a pinch of cumin. After that, I'll mix them all together. And then I'll have a huge bowl of salsa that can last me throughout the week. And this is how I plan and prepare my food throughout the week. So I'm constantly on the land, in the garden, harvesting, and then I'm usually prepping meals or freezing, drying, whatever foods that I have in excess and that I can't eat right away, I'll usually preserve them somehow. But luckily where I'm located, it's easy to get fresh produce often. So this is why you want to see what grows best in your environment where you live, and start sourcing those foods organically through small farmers. If you have a farmer's market, make sure you're going to the farmer's markets and seeing what grows good in your region. And if you don't have much growing in your region, then see what grows nearby. because sometimes small local farmers will drive across states and drive to other communities to sell their produce. So make sure you're looking in Facebook Marketplace and seeing what types of local farmers markets are going on in your area. This is absolutely crucial and important if you want to be successful in approaching a plant-based lifestyle in 2025. So like for example, when I'm traveling and I can't get access to some of the foods that I can get locally here where I'm located in Hawaii, then what I'll do is I'll go to health food stores or even some of the big chain stores. Sometimes if that's my only option, I'll go to like Costco, or you can go to Sam's Club if you have a Sam's Club near you. And then I'll usually look around for what is organic that they sell in the produce section, because they're starting to get some pretty good options these days compared to before. So you can do bargain shopping that way. So say Costco, for example, I noticed they sell avocados there, right? They usually got them in bags of like 5 or 6 avocados in each bag, and they're actually a pretty decent deal compared to some of the other stores that I see around. Especially when I'm traveling, I'll usually buy a bag of avocados and some other fresh produce that I can find. I do my best in finding organic, and sometimes it can be pretty challenging. But if you go to most health food stores, you'll definitely find organic. You have to look at this type of lifestyle strategically. This is the way I see it. If you're planning to go plant-based, or you want to go plant-based, or you want to begin going plant-based, then you have to look at this lifestyle strategically, especially if you never did it before. Okay, so if you plan and prepare, then this will almost guarantee your success. And if you haven't seen my other video where I share with you one of the most important tips that you need to know when going plant-based or adding more plant-based foods into your diet, then I'll leave a link above for that video and down below in the description box. Check that video out, because that is an important thing that you need to know before even approaching a new type of diet or lifestyle change within your own self. If you want to learn more on how you can absolutely crush it on a plant-based lifestyle in 2025 by growing your own food at home through gardening, then watch this video right here where I show you the most simple steps on how you can get started. Watch this video right here, and I'll see you over there.